Hello, this is Gary with Gary Buys Houses. Are you thinking of selling a vacant house? Are you trying to decide between selling the house with a real estate agent or selling the house for sale by owner? Or are you thinking of just selling the house as is to an investor? We are here at a vacant house we recently purchased to give you some tips on selling the house on your own. So let's go through these tips. There's 5 of them here. 1, secure the house. Make sure all the windows and doors are locked. If there are broken windows or kicked in doors, get those all boarded up. The last thing you want are squatters inside the house. Number 2, utilities. You gotta leave them on. Especially in the wintertime, you don't want any frozen pipes. And in the summer or winter, you want to make sure that all those exterior lights are on. 3, clean up the yard if necessary. It's really important that the house looks lived in and taken care of. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it look like someone's in and out of the house once in a while. 4, estimate the repairs. Estimating the repairs will help you when you're making a decision of how to proceed with the house. 5, get an appraiser. Ask the appraiser to appraise the house as is, and then ask the appraiser to appraise the house to give you an estimate of what the house value will be after the repairs. This again will help you move forward in making the best decision for you. Let's take a look around this house just so you can see a few things that are a little bit interesting about this vacant house. So you may notice as we walk through here that there are little square things on the wall and on the floor. This house was contaminated with meth, and so the meth remediation company had to come in and they basically just scrubbed the entire house. It does do damage, all these cabinets. Sometimes we try to save cabinets, sometimes we don't. These are going to all have to come out and new cabinets because when they clean it, you can see right there, the cabinets expand if they're made out of particle board, and you know, they just not very good for a brand new house that somebody's going to own. Well, I hope you found that interesting, what a house looks like after it's had the meth cleaned out of it. If you're interested in skipping all the steps that we talked about earlier, and you want to sell your empty house quickly, give us a call at Gary Buys Houses. We can provide you with a fair cash offer and be done with the sale in as little as 2 days. I look forward to hearing from you, and just like always, there's never an obligation to call us and ask questions so you can make the right decision for you.